What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are staring down the most aggressive, track-focused Mustang to ever wear a license plate, the 2026 Ford Mustang Dark Horse SC. If the standard Dark Horse was a warning shot, the SC is a full-blown declaration of war. Ford has essentially taken the DNA of the GT500 and the GTD and fused them into this sinister S650 body. We're talking about a car that bridges the gap between a daily driver and a literal race car. Take one look at the exterior, and it's clear this isn't just a trim package. The front fascia has been completely reworked with a center opening 65%, larger than the base Dark Horse to feed that massive supercharger. You've got a new aluminum hood with a massive carbon fiber vent that isn't just for show. Remove the rain tray and you're getting 2.5 times more downforce than before. Stepping inside, the cockpit feels like a fighter jet. The big upgrade here is the flat-bottom steering wheel borrowed straight from the GTD, wrapped in leather and Alcantara with a 12 o'clock racing stripe. You'll notice two anodized red buttons on the wheel, one for your suspension and one for the exhaust. So you can go from quiet neighbor to track monster without taking your hands off the wheel. Now, let's talk about the heart of the beast. Under the hood lies the legendary 5.2-liter Predator V8, now supercharged to deliver a staggering 800-plus horsepower. It's paired exclusively with a lightning-fast 7-speed dual-clutch transmission that bangs through gears faster than a human ever could. To keep all that power on the tarmac, Ford upgraded the MagneRide dampers, added stiffer springs, and included a variable traction control system with 5 different levels of Save My Life. Now, let's talk about the heart of the beast. Under the hood lies the legendary 5.2-liter Predator V8, now supercharged to deliver a staggering 800-plus horsepower. It's paired exclusively with a lightning-fast 7-speed dual-clutch transmission that bangs through gears faster than a human ever could. To keep all that power on the tarmac, Ford upgraded the MagneRide dampers, added stiffer springs, and included a variable traction control system with 5 different levels of Save My Life. Performance like this doesn't come cheap. The 2026 Dark Horse SC starts at $103,490. If you want the full-fat experience with the carbon wheels and aero, the track pack brings you up to $139,990. And for the collectors out there, the limited run track pack special edition, with its 3D printed titanium accents and unique graphics, will set you back over $170,000. Even though it's a track weapon, Ford didn't forget about safety. The SC comes standard with the Ford Co-Pilot 360 suite, which includes pre-collision assist, lane keeping system, and blind spot monitoring. You also get a high-resolution 360-degree camera system, which is a lifesaver when you're trying to park a car with a hood that long and a wing that wide. In summary, the 2026 Mustang Dark Horse SC is a masterpiece of American engineering. It's the successor to the GT500 we've all been waiting for. Viciously fast, incredibly poised in the corners, and sounding like a literal thunderstorm. It's not just a muscle car anymore, it's a genuine supercar killer. Thanks for watching today's review. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Dark Horse SC, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming track test, where we see what this thing can actually do against the clock. Drop a comment below. Would you take this over a Corvette Z06? See you in the next one.